What is up, everyone? So today I wanted to show you all what it's like to buy a renewed device from Amazon. So here at this page we have a 2019 Dell Latitude E7450, which is a 14-inch screen laptop with an i5 CPU, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of SSD. The price here is not actually what I've paid. It looks like that specific seller has sold out. So it did say it's going to be in excellent condition, so what we should be expecting is that the cosmetic condition is excellent, no scratches, there is visible damage but not visible from this distance, more than 80% battery. It looks like the price is now gone from the Amazon page, but when I bought the laptop, this is pretty much how much I paid. And after taxes, I pretty much paid around like 200 Canadian dollars, which is equivalent to less than 150 US dollars. From the reviews, it seems pretty mixed. And looking here, it seems like this person has a problem with their charger. And looks like this person has some quality control issues. So yeah, looking at everything, I'm pretty excited to see what we're going to be dealing with. So stay tuned. Alright, what's up everyone? So the laptop has arrived in this Amazon box. Typical unboxing video. Get that. So inside here we have another smaller box. So right off the bat we can see inside here we got the charging cable here. So we have our little machine here inside. As you can see here, they have the inspection sheet. Mark, thanks for inspecting. Not touchscreen, no fingerprint. The keyboard is backlit, that's pretty cool. OS sticker pass. Don't know what this is, 18%. If someone knows, let me know what this means. But yeah, you can see all the details here. 8 GB SSD. Yeah. So that's that. And there's this little pamphlet here. We'll check that out in a sec. All right, let's open this up. Just real quick. So right off the bat, you can see the laptop. There's some scuff marks, scratches, power port. There's some like stuff here. I don't know what that is. General condition looks okay. Scratches a little bit dirty. So checking out the general condition of the laptop, it's a bit dirty, but there's no like noticeable damage on the body or the keyboard. And looking at the screen here, you can see that someone has wiped it and there are marks. A little bit of dust, but yeah, I can get that cleaned up. But yeah, taking a closer look at the keyboard, it looks alright. I don't see any like significant damage there. But yeah, that is the initial look at the laptop. We're gonna get this charged up and BRB. The pamphlet they give is pretty much just thanking you for buying an Amazon renewed device. And inside, it kind of describes like the guarantee, the 90-day guarantee, and like other stuff. One of the negative reviews said that their charger was not working, so let's give that a test. So here's my laptop, and I'm gonna just plug in the charger at the back. Reaction. Alrighty, I think we have a problem. So yeah, in a bit, I'm gonna update you on how it goes. Alrighty, so I had just kind of cleaned up the laptop and got it fully charged. So we're gonna check out the general condition of it. We've got some scratches here. Over here, we got some scuff marks on the edges, so I guess someone might have dropped it or something. Okay, on all four corners, I think there's some like rough edges. But yeah, looking at the bottom, nothing too bad, nothing too noticeable. There's some bumps in the trackpad. So yeah, without further ado, let's turn on the laptop. So yeah, now you see the loading screen. It's logging us in, default user. And now there we are. As for how long it took to load, but yeah, looking around, yeah, you kind of got your basic stuff here, Windows 10 features. So checking the task manager, CPU, we have our i5-5300U CPU, 2.3 gigahertz, 8 gigs of memory, and Lithium IT LMT, yeah, Intel graphics. So these are kind of like the default programs it comes with. So yeah, kind of like your basic stuff. I don't see any bloatware. I don't believe this stuff is bloatware, so that's good. Okay, that's weird. Guess whoever was working on this machine didn't clear out the recent files. I guess they were listening to the song. Cool. But it's on a D drive, so I can't access it now. But yeah, everything looks like it's working well so far. One thing I forgot to mention is that these keyboards are backlit, so that's pretty cool. You can like type and code in the dark or play games in the dark as well. This pretty much concludes my experience buying a renewed laptop from Amazon. And I know like this is only one like isolated case. Buying a renewed laptop might be a different experience for everyone. So I'm curious if you ever bought like a renewed device from Amazon before. What was it like? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you all for watching. Without further ado, I'm going to install a screen recorder so I don't look weird recording my laptop like this. See you later.